What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this dish wand replacement, and it actually comes with 7 different of these heads. So there's only 3 right now, and then the wand itself. So it comes with the wand and 7 of these heads. And this is so easy to replace. You simply slide it out of that slot there and to put back on, or to replace one, slide it in the slot. Man, it's super effective of soap. Holy smokes, you push it and the soap absorbs right through. These do not have holes or perforations or anything, and refilling soap is as easy as it gets. You just unscrew the top, pour in your soap, screw it back in, good to go. So super straightforward, and one extra bonus that I love, voila, it just clips right onto the middle of your sink. So that's a fantastic way to wash dishes if you don't want to get your hands dirty. Even though I got mine all soaped up here, but typically you're just holding the handle, washing your dishes, and you can keep your hands even dry. So that is what to expect with these 7 dish heads and this dish wand. Absolutely love it. It's a great addition to any kitchen.